And over in St. James, the Public Health Department embarked on a massive rodent eradication program as part of Labor Day activities. Anthony Lugg has the details.
It's a scene residents in Montego Bay have gotten all too familiar with. Rats, rats, and more rats. To tackle the infestation, the St. James Public Health Services launched their rodent control program on Labor Day.
We're focusing on the township, the commercial areas, so commercial districts such as the Charles Gordon Market, sections of Barnett Street to include the Transportation Center, 1 kilometer radius of Sam Sharp Square, 4th Street, and that's it for the program.
The initiative is a partnership with the CARMED Group, the St. James Municipal Corporation, and the National Solid Waste Management Authority.
We have seen an increase in the number of complaints we receive about rat infestation. We have noted infestation indicators, especially in the food service industry.
While the team set the bait to clear the city of rodents, another clearing was being done. Enforcement officers from the municipal corporation removed the vendors along the street outside the Charles Gordon Market.
They tell the people that if you take them things out at Charles Gordon Market, put it out a road. Then come this morning and say everybody if you go back in a market, the market lock. Where should I put our things? Inside the market and the market lock. And they say them come with bull force to take off people things off of the road. Me not understand.
We put those concerns to Montego Bay's Mayor Richard Vernon.
It's unfortunate that vendors came out this morning when we had a town crier moving throughout the market district for at least 4 days, asking vendors to come out on Labor Day to help to clean up the very space within which they operate. And we prepared a section within the market facility to facilitate them for their activities on this particular day, but we told them that the market district will be closing it and restricting access to the area so that we can facilitate cleaning.
Meanwhile, residents who welcomed the cleanup and rodent control programs called on vendors to play their part.
All they need to do is get garbage bag each time they are selling, have a garbage bag, put their garbage in the bag and they can dispose.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.